Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Motorsoul. Hope you guys are doing well. And it's been a while since I've made a vlog on my 1989 Yamaha RX100, and I'm out on a short ride on a Sunday morning, and I've swapped a few parts from my RX 135. So, if you guys can notice, this is the double rod handlebar from my RX 135. I've swapped that from my 135, and the 135 now has the RD 175 or the RD 350 handlebar along with the chrome mirrors. Now it has the Alpha Toyo mirrors on the RX 100, and I also swapped the original RX 100 meter. So I previously had the RX 100 meter on the RX 135 and the RX 135 meter on the RX 100. So now that's back to normal, and I've also swapped the Michelin Cerac tires. So previously this motorcycle had Ralco grippers. So Ralco grippers are now on the RX 135, and I also had to change, swap to the shaved head. This is actually a temporary replacement because the original head of this RX 100 has some issues with the spark plug. So it's leaking from the spark plug area. So I had to swap that. So I'll have to find a new RX 100 head and then get it painted, and then I'll install it on my RX 100. But apart from that, everything else is the same. Now the Michelin Ceracs are going to be on this motorcycle, and the Ralco gripper tires are on the RX 135. So in this video, let's just talk about why I love two-stroke motorcycles, and I'm sure you all can relate to it because we ride two-stroke motorcycles. We ride two-stroke motorcycles because of certain reasons. And the first one has to be the power. So two strokes are more powerful than four strokes because of the strokes that the engine has. So we call these two strokes because the engine has two strokes, and in that two strokes you have one power stroke. But in a four-stroke motorcycle there are four strokes obviously, but you have only one power stroke. So two strokes are twice more powerful than the four strokes, and it's just instant. I mean, the power on these two-stroke motorcycles is just instant, and it's not just on the RX but for all two-stroke motorcycles. And there is one more reason, and that is the power to weight ratio. So if you guys can if you guys notice, all these two-stroke motorcycles, these are very lightweight motorcycles. So even for a twin 350cc motorcycle, the RD 350, it just weighs somewhere around 155 kilos or 160 kilos. So even after being a twin motorcycle 350cc, it just weighs 155 kilos and 160 kilos. A normal 200cc single cylinder 4-stroke motorcycle would weigh somewhere around that range, and even some 4-stroke motorcycles could even weigh about somewhere around 180 or 190 kilos. So two-stroke parts are very, you don't really need a lot of parts, and these motorcycles don't really have that moving parts, so it just doesn't add up to all that weight. These motorcycles are lightweight, and that also is a plus point because you are making twice more power than a 4-stroke, but then your motorcycle is also quite light. So that actually makes the whole experience a lot more immersive. And because of the lightweight, you really need to have skills to ride these motorcycles. You don't have ABS, you don't have any shit electronics, it's just pure power, and you have to have skills. You have to combine the front and the rear brake along with the engine braking to stop the motorcycle. So power is the most obvious answer for why we love two strokes, but the weight also is a huge factor because this RX 100 just weighs 95 kilos and you have 11 bhp of power. But even then, when you ride an RX 100 with 95 kilos of weight, and it just feels a lot more than 11 bhp. It doesn't feel like 11 bhp, it feels quite a lot more. You can tell by the exhaust note that this is a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke. You can just differentiate between a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke motorcycle. It's just that easy. You don't even need to see the motorcycle. You can hear it and you can just say that it's a 2-stroke from about 1 kilometer. So maintaining a 2-stroke motorcycle is cheaper than a 4-stroke motorcycle. Of course, the mileage is low, not comparable with a 4-stroke, but even then, I think a 2-stroke motorcycle is a lot more cheaper to maintain, because it just lasts forever and ever. This motorcycle, the 2-stroke motorcycles, would last forever and ever if you just maintain proper engine oil, and if you just add proper 2T oil. It will last for decades and decades. It just doesn't die. So that is one more big advantage of riding 2-strokes that you have. You just cannot get this beautiful exhaust note in a 4-stroke motorcycle. It's just immersive. You're more engaged with the motorcycle, and every 2-stroke has a different character to it. I'm just at 70 kmph, but it just gives you that satisfaction and beautiful exhaust note. And the downshifts, it's just a beautiful experience riding a 2-stroke motorcycle. And I think this is why we all love 2-strokes. And as I said, 2-stroke motorcycles are more immersive, they're more engaging, and every 2-stroke motorcycle has a different character. I've ridden multiple motorcycles from every two RX100 are the same. Every RX100 has a different character. Some sound different because of the muffler, and every bike has a different tuning to it. So no two motorcycles have the same tuning, in my opinion. And every motorcycle has a very different character, which adds up to the overall experience. So you should ride every 2-stroke motorcycle whenever you can. It just screams, and it just gives you that that beautiful experience. And 2-strokes are very rev happy engines. I mean, you don't really damage the engine. By riding it at high RPMs. So So all these reasons make the 2-strokes beautiful, and these are the reasons that make me fall in love with 2-strokes every day. So as I said, maintaining these motorcycles is quite cheap. There are far less running parts than a 4-stroke motorcycle. So you just have to add proper 2T oil while you're riding your motorcycle, and you just have to pamper your motorcycle, clean it in a every week or so. Just don't let the water stay on the motorcycle so that it doesn't rust. And these motorcycles are built to last forever and ever. If you just change the engine oil at proper intervals, it's just going to last for a lifetime. And all these motorcycles, they contribute to the overall experience, and it's the weight, it's the power to weight ratio, and it's the simplicity of the engine. These engines are very simple to work on. The design is quite simple, and these motorcycles don't have lots of parts, and that just makes it easier for us to maintain these motorcycles and ride these beautiful old vehicles. So that's about it for this video. I just wanted to make a video on why we all love 2-strokes, and I'm sure, as I said, you all can relate to it. Comment down below what are the reasons and why you love 2-strokes. And I'm so glad that I'm riding 2-strokes even in 2021. पेट्रोल के रेटा तो बढ़ के बैगन में मिला दे रहे भाई, बट even then these motorcycles are worth riding and experiencing. And that's about it. Comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, ride hard, ride safe.